Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin' Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are just chilling at home, but we did buy some stuff for the camper, some stuff for the camper and some stuff for home. So we just wanted to do a quick Bed Bath & Beyond haul. Let's open the little one. Now the shipping on these was super confusing, so I hope this is everything. This was all just from one order, but it all shipped in a bunch of boxes. These are super cute. I can't wait to use these. It is a little magnet bin, and it is full of these little carrot chip clips. Isn't that cute? Now these, I am super excited about. These are Zulay Kitchen magnetic measuring spoons. Depending on the shape of your spice bottle, they have a round measuring spoon and then an oval. They're both 15 tablespoons. They're both the same measurement, so 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, and it all hooks together like that. And you even have a little measuring stick and a leveler, so you can make sure that your spices are perfectly flat. And you all know I have a lot of Dash appliances if you've been watching our channel for a while. So I got this super cute pumpkin mini waffle maker from Dash. I did get a couple other Dash items. Here's my second Dash item. I got this super cute little spiderweb mini waffle maker. We're gonna have a full Halloween waffle experience. So I don't know if these items shipped from stores, but I am surprised that they all came in separate boxes. And here's the final waffle maker. I got a skull. Very Halloween inspired trio right there. And now I've got this big box. Here's my final Dash appliance, a mini maker griddle, and it is 4 inches. I believe all of their stuff is 4 inches. Now at home, for our house, I do collect Fiestaware. So I did get some Fiestaware plates. Now I don't have this shape. This is called the Bistro dinner plate. This color is called lapis. This color is scarlet. And here's a white one. I wanted to get a cool red, white, and blue dinner plate set from me, Mr. Cameraman, and his mom. If you liked this video, definitely give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you get notified the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.